In this video, we're walking through whether you can build an entire Bubble app on a single page or not. If you're not careful with your page structure, it could lead to a terrible user experience. We're going to go over what's possible and appropriate instead. All right, let's talk about it. Can you build an entire application on Bubble in a single page? Yes, absolutely you can. But there are pros and cons that you need to consider, and you want to make sure you choose the approach that most fits your use case. What's going to be the best for the app that you are building? Because there's not necessarily a right or wrong here. It just depends on what you're doing. So structurally, here's the difference between a single page and a multi-page app. Single page applications are going to have all of their screens organized into different groups, but they all live on one page. So I'm looking at a dashboard for an applicant in a job board type of app. So we have separate groups for organizing their profile details, viewing all of their applications. I'm looking at the inbox group right now. I can go to search. It all resides in this one page. Compare that to a multi-page structure. All of those screens are separated into, you guessed it, different pages. So right now I am just on the inbox page. The only designs and workflows that live here are related to the inbox functionality. If I go to my page drop-down list, you can see that I have separate pages for everything else. Search, seeing all of my applications, a system admin page, all of that stuff is isolated. Now, in theory, you can get the exact same look, this exact same design and experience using both methods. But structurally, the differences can come out in performance, in speed in some cases, and your own management of the application behind the scenes. So here are the pros and cons for both of these methods. With a single application, one of the things that makes it most attractive is that it can bring a native-like experience to viewers. Because you're not having to experience page loads every single time you want to move to a different screen. In fact, I can show you here. So I'm currently on one of these screens here. Let's see, I go to switch over to my applications, profile, inbox, right? You notice how as I switch back and forth, it's a quick change. I am not having to reload the page. It feels more native like that. It feels more like a native application. Compare that to a multi-page structure. So this is more like a traditional website. If I go to my applications, notice the page has to reload. It's switching over. It's navigating me to a different screen. We may experience a little bit slower than normal just because I have a recording going. But moving over to my profile, it switches to a different screen. Inbox going to a different page, right? You can feel that page load happening. And this is before I even have a lot of data being queried and displayed here. So that speed difference could be the reason you go for a single page structure if it doesn't matter otherwise for that. Now, I will say that there are many variables that contribute to speed. Just because it's all in one page and the user isn't having to experience multiple page loads does not mean that that's it. Now you have a lightning fast application. The way that you have structured your search queries matters. The way that you've designed your visuals, and how you display the data, depending on how much data you're showing at once, all of the logic to perform, complex filters, those can all play a role into the overall performance and speed. So I want you to understand that this is one variable for the user's experience, but it can be one that's significant enough to, move you into this system compared to the multi-page structure. Now let's talk about some negatives here around the single page structure system. It is all in one place. So this can actually work against you in some cases. This is going to force you to be much more organized. You should always be organized, but if you have literally hundreds of elements in one single editor page here, you need to make sure that everything is labeled very clearly, that you make use of your workflow folders, right? It can get difficult to navigate if you don't create an organization system for yourself because everything is literally in one place. And alongside that, it can slow down your editor because if everything is in one place, Bubble has to make that all available for you. You will notice a difference comparing that to a multi-page structure where there's less going on per page, that the editor will move a little bit faster for you. And that can be significant enough to make your decision. Another thing that you might want to be careful with single page applications is how you handle user access. If everything is in one page, a lot of components really need to work together. You may be forced to create more logic. You have more conditions to handle different user roles and permissions, where someone of one user role should be able to see certain things and do certain things, whereas somebody else who's accessing literally the same page should have restrictions and not be able to see certain things. Whereas with a multi-page structure, it's a lot easier to isolate different access rights and different views of things. So it's something to consider. I'm not saying it's impossible. I've seen it done all the time. It just means that you have to take more care with permissions logic, considering every scenario that somebody might find themselves in when they're working with your app. Now, back to the multi-page structure. What are the positives? What are some pros that you get from this type of structure? Well, if your app is one that needs to consider SEO, where your users may search for you, they may expect to find you in Google search results, profile pages, listings, marketplaces are very common for that sort of thing, then a multi-page structure is likely going to be the most appropriate for you, because you have a lot more control over customizing the URLs that are going to contribute to your SEO rankings in those search engines. This isn't to say that you can't manipulate URLs with a single page structure as well, but it's not as easy, right? With separate pages, every page is its own, has its own path on your domain, so you just have a lot more flexibility with that. The other positives that come with the multi-page structure are essentially the opposites of, the negatives from the single page. It is lighter weight, within each of the pages because there's less going on per screen. I actually find that multi-page structures are easier for beginners because there's less going on and they don't have to work with as many custom states to create their navigation system. Not to mention, separate pages can make it easier for you to isolate, restricted access to certain things. So when it comes down to it, these are the factors that you want to consider when making this decision. First, think about how big your app is. How many screens do you need to design? If you've got dozens and dozens of possible views, you may want to consider splitting things up into a multi-page structure. You do have the option to create sort of a hybrid system as well. You could technically have multiple pages, but maybe some of those pages are a kind of a mini single page system, right? You have dashboards for different users that have subgroups within them, but there are still other separate pages that live outside of them. That's always an option as well for kind of a happy medium between the two. So the size of your application may play a role here. The manipulation of your URLs, especially if you have SEO to consider. Don't forget about your own management of the application long term. What's going to be the best for you to maintain it, make adjustments, make it easy for you to find where you are so that you create a reliable system. All right, I hope this was helpful. And if it was, definitely check out the content you see on the screen now. These videos will help you better build and launch your app and a lot more quickly too.